15-37 State versus Robert Bennett. Possession of controlled substances. Driving on suspended license.
Your Honor, Mr. Bennett has just recently hired me. I don't know if he's been arraigned on this. I believe he has, but
Yes, sir.
okay.
Let's see. The next appearance is on May 28th
May 28th?
at 10 a.m. There's a scheduling order in the
Okay.
file. So should we just leave it as scheduled?
Just leave it as set.
Very well, sir. You're free to go. Thank you.
Thank you.
14-277 State versus Christopher Jenkins.
Your Honor, Mr. Jenkins is here. He is currently set for trial on the April 8th.
Okay. This is a drug and theft case.
That's correct, Judge.
Is anything to be done on this day?
There's no action to take today. If you could order him to reappear on that April 2nd court date.
Okay. We'll leave the trial schedule as it is, but direct that he reappear on April 2nd, 10 o'clock.
Yes, Your Honor.
There you go.
Thank you.
15-51 State versus Corey Weaver. Battery in the second degree.
Your Honor, I represent Mr. Weaver. From this point forward, it looks like he's been arraigned and that a scheduling order has been issued in this matter. He's set for reappearance today and then pre-trial on May 28th. I would just ask him to come see me. I think that's all we need to do today, Judge.
We'll leave it as scheduled. 15-19 State versus Kimla Wilkerson. Burglary, theft.
Your Honor, discovery appears to be complete. We can just leave it as scheduled.
Anything further?
No, Your Honor.
That'll be all. 14-295 State versus Kenneth Hurst. Delivery of methamphetamine, possession of controlled substance with purpose to deliver, unlawful use of a communication device.
And I represent Mr. Hurst. It looks like we've recently received discovery in this matter. I'm not sure if it's been scheduled out. If not, we'd ask for a scheduling order. Thank you.
I take it he's appeared in court before?
It looks as if he's been arraigned, Your Honor,
Okay, it is.
on 3-2.
3-2, you say?
Oh, I'm sorry. That's when we filed our motion for discovery. Would have been prior to that
Have you
date.
appeared in court before?
Yes, sir.
I don't see that in the file, but at any rate, we'll issue a scheduling order on that.
It was January 8th? Okay.
Okay, we'll locate one then. It may have been misfiled. It occasionally happens. Not very often.
I'll just instruct him to call my office and come in and we'll get him those dates.
But okay.
Yes, sir.
14-289 State versus Dennis White. Criminal mischief and criminal attempt to break or enter.
Your Honor, our office will be representing Mr. White. Looks like we've received a plea offer in this matter, and I'll need to speak to him about that.
Can I speak to you for a second, Your Honor? If that's on. I've called over 27 voicemails to talk to my attorney. He called me back one time and told me if I paid $3,000 that they could drop my charges or get my charges dropped. And that's about all I've heard from them. It sounds a little bit like bribery or extortion.
I don't
If
find that hard to believe, but at any rate.
If I may speak to that, Your Honor.
My wife can vouch for me.
First of all, if I may speak to that, I've never spoken with this gentleman. The court knows that we have been going through some staff changes, and we've asked the court and the prosecutor's office to help us accommodate that. The court has. I feel like we've done a good job trying to make that happen. And Mr. White, we're open every day of the week. So.
Okay. Make an appointment to go see them. Maybe this lady can give you one before you leave today. And there won't be any money changing hands.
It's possible that there was some confusion about a restitution, maybe, figure.
Yeah, that's probably a little confusion about our institution.
Okay, well, that's different.
Yeah.
Bribes.